blueprint in a raindrop. Found a galaxy in dust. Found equations in the silence, teaching matter how to trust. The circle kept expanding. The square demanded proof. The spiral laughed between them, like it knew a deeper truth. I wasn't in the chamber, I wasn't in the hall. I was hiding in the mechanism, listening through the wall.
In the latch,
between the yes and no,
between the seed and harvest,
between the high and low.
in the latch,
inside the turn,
where questions become answers,
and answers start to burn. The atom split a shadow, the shadow split a name. The name became a mirror, and nothing stayed the same. A compass drew a boundary, a river crossed the line. The map said not allowed, the water said that's fine. As above, so below, as within, so without. Funny how the brightest past first arrived disguised as doubt. In the latch, not in the room, not in the street,
somewhere in the hidden gears,
beneath the things we meet.
in the latch,
Halfway, half key,
trying to understand
why reality remembers me. Lie inside the pattern in the shell inside the ocean in the cell. The future folds the present folds the past. Maybe every doorway's built around a question asked. The lock dreams of opening, the key dreams of release. The door dreams of a traveler, the traveler dreams of peace. The circle dreams of motion, the square dreams of control. I got caught between their languages and accidentally found my soul.
in the latch,
Hear it sing,
hear it click,
hear it click.
every certainty I've owned.
Eventually got sick.
In the latch,
One last look,
before the veil gets torn.
maybe every mystery is where a new world